bag to a board this way. Then I'm going to use 4 crowns in all. 1 square knot will give you 4 ropes. So I have 4 here, I have another 4 here of the same color. Then I'm going to have 4 here of this another color. So for this one, we are starting from this side. This is going to be my lead cord. Then I'm going to roll this over this way. That's the first one. You pick the next rope, you roll it over. The next, I told us we are using 2 crowns, which means we'll be having 8 ropes in all. Now we're picking the last one. You do it this way. That's the first line. Then you pick this again. The next is going to be the lead cord. You roll it over. Pick the next one. So we are done with the second line. So we have finished with the second line. We are going to the third one. The first rope here is going to be your lead cord again. You roll it over. Pick the next one. You roll it over. So we are done with the first stage. You can see we have a 3, 1, 2, 3. So the same thing we are going to do with the yellow color. But you can see that I started picking from the left hand. Now I'm starting from the right. So from here, the first one will be your lead cord. You roll this over twice. So we are done with the first line. From the right hand side, the next cord is your lead cord again. You pick the next one, you roll over. We are done with the second line. We move over again. The next one is your lead cord. You roll it over again. So this is the last one. You can see we are done with it. Then you're going to make a square knot to join it here. So you can see what we've done here. You can see that's what we are going to do round. As you continue, you can see what we have here. As you continue with your pattern, this is what you are going to have. So this is the first layer of the work. We'll be moving to the second layer.